It is another beautiful day. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox one more item from Hermes. As you can see, this item is in a small box. It's kind of flat, and I'm not sure, have you heard that this item is going to be discontinued? I'm not sure how accurate the news is, but I believe it is going to be a collectible. It has been a collectible, but it's just that it's going to be only available in the second-hand market. So if they are going to discontinue this, then I guess it's going to be extremely hard to get in the future. You can only get from the second-hand store. Correct me if I'm wrong, if my news is correct. So anyway, let's go ahead to unbox this item. It comes in a very skinny box, and with the bag, let's do it together. I always like the way they tie the ribbon because it makes the whole thing look really exquisite. It's like the gift under the Christmas tree. Oh, something dropped out. Okay, and here we go. We have this card and this set around Nano. Did you see that? Okay, it's not a toy for children, not suitable for children under 14 years of age. Okay, so this comes with this card. As you can see, a huge hint over here, Oran Nano. There you go. Take a look at this beautiful orange charm. And I believe many of you, if you are an Hermes lover, you should have an orange slipper or even more. I heard that they are pretty comfortable, but for myself, I'm not a orange slipper or orange slip-on fan, so I don't have any at the moment. I'm more into like sneakers, probably heels. I would probably get a real orange in the next few years. Not sure. So anyway, this is the charm, and look at the top. It is of lizard, and I think they call it the Omra lizard. Not sure if I pronounced that correctly. And it really looks like perfume samples. So the first one is actually this. This is actually the Gallop de Hermes perfume. And here's the little valve. And the next one is this. This one, I think this has been around for some time. And the third one is this. I think this will be interesting. I think I would like this kind of scent. It's kind of like flora and scent. So I think I'll pretty much like this. So very nice of the sales associate to give me this. And there we have it, guys. This is my unboxing for today. If you like my video, click on the like button and remember to subscribe and hit the bell button so that the next round when I upload another unboxing video, you will be notified about it. So there you go, guys. Remember to subscribe. Okay, I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.